What is up? What is up, everybody? What is up, YouTube? We are back here on a Friday. Hope everyone is having a good Friday to start out with and has had an amazing week so far. In this video, we're just going to go over a quick little topic on a EurUsd sell opportunity today on Friday. A buy to sell. So what is a buy to sell, right? A buy to sell is a push above a previous high, an aggressive push above, right? An aggressive push above a previous high that has captured liquidity, and then an immediate sell off breaking structure, right? So these are actually some of my, or maybe not some, but one of my favorite setups that I like the most is because it really gives you that bias on direction, right? And you already know that liquidity got taken right here, right? And we see price also, we go to a higher time frame. You see price also reacting off of this 4-hour structure right here, right? So let me find this. So that was actually this setup right here, right? So we had a break of structure on EurUsd, and I was expecting price to get back up into that area. And as you see here, price just comes and taps that 1755 area, right? So you see right here, and when price shot up into that area, right, we can see on the 15, it created the high of the week right here. So since the high of the week got created and we immediately saw a push to the downside after the high of the week got created, I already knew that we should see some possible type of rejections from that area, right? So here was this 5-minute area. You can see price shoot up above liquidity and immediately break structure, excuse me, immediately a break structure right there. And we can look at the before setup off of this, right? So we're going off of the rejection from the higher time frame, a stop hunt, a break of structure, right? Price didn't stay around very long. A rejection from the higher time frame, creating the high of the week. And as we go to the left, or excuse me, to the right, where current price is, this is where we were here this morning. So we can see from that level, from that 5-minute point of interest to the left, we see rejection here, rejection here, rejection here, rejection here. And then finally, we get a clean break of structure, right? You could say that that's more of an M pattern, whatever you want to call it. I don't care. We have an M formation at a 5-minute point of interest that was rejecting from a 4-hour point of interest, also creating the high of the week. So there's a lot of factors in here as to why I was looking for a sell. Here is the last area of buying before we saw a break of structure, right? So last area of buying, and we get this huge break of structure. So I'm already expecting price to come back up into this supply area here, this supply zone, right? And you can see my arrow, right? I'm expecting price to sell off. And we see in the after picture, and maybe it might not be the best picture, but here's that last up candle before our breakup structure, right? Get that breakup structure that pushed down. And here's our retest of this area. So that was our buy to sell. This ended up going 44 pips. And if we just look on my trading view, you see right here, here is the trade. You see the 15-minute EurUsd this morning, September 24th. Really good trade, really good way to end the week. So hope you guys got some value, some insight. Give me a like, subscribe to the channel for future videos and just to support the channel. Leave a comment down below also, you know, what's your favorite type of setup? What do you like to go to? Let me know what you guys would like to see from me in the future. But yep, we're going to continue to keep just grabbing these easy setups out of the market and continue to make money and continue to win and stay consistent. But until next time, wish you all good luck and have a great weekend and peace out.